It is 7:45. We're gonna put the baby down for bed, but it's summertime, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and go outside and paint a filing cabinet. I got this truck bed liner that's kind of like Rhino liner, same stuff, just cheaper. We're gonna try it. I think it should be a little bit textured, but it might cover up some of those dents and scratches. I am now going to sand this with my, not with my son, with my electric sander. Just do a quick little scuff sanding and...
You might want to change the paper.
No, I'm not.
Dad's gonna put that on it and Hank gets to work this off.
Okay, so here, do you want to film me?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, you know how to do it. Don't cut your finger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it! It's going good so far. But it's not that good.
Go ahead, June. Pull from right here.
It's going so good so far, guys. Don't worry. My dad's a professional.
There you go.
Hank is gonna wipe it down for me. Good job. You wanna shake this stuff up for about a minute. I think I'm gonna paint and have Hank roll behind me.
I can paint with you?
You can paint with me. Merry Christmas, son. Ooh, look at that. Tari. I'm gonna paint and you're gonna roll behind me. So you're gonna spread it and I'm just gonna get it on there.
Magic everywhere. Oh, the magic
Do not
everywhere.
touch me with that. Do not get that on me. Okay, I think I need to. Oh my gosh, you just splattered me. Okay, let go.
Just kind of like go how it, like I see you do it. Like
Okay. I don't do it like that. I don't go like this.
I was going slow. But I thought I was going slow. Okay, I'm sorry.
You just need to do it gently.
I'm glad to be American. At least I have someone.
Or at least you have some friends.
How's it rolling on, honey?
Good.
How's it going with you, Dad?
So you just want nice, even coverage all over the whole thing. Okay, you're doing a good job.
If this paint gets on my clothes are ruined. Mom, in that case.
Yeah, roll up those sleeves, babe. It's getting dark fast, but this is going pretty fast. So we should have one coat on for the night and then be able to let it dry overnight and add another coat in the morning.
Look what I made, Mom.
Oh, cute.
Jim, can I see it? It's cool. I like it.
You need more paint for the top?
Yeah. So we just finished painting this future planter, and this is the first coat. So tomorrow morning we'll wake up and we'll probably do our thing, and then we'll
Drink our coffee.
yeah. I'll drink my blood, and then we'll do the second coat tomorrow.
Thanks for your help, hon.
What you doing?
Here's the first coat all dried. It's pretty rough, which I expected. I expected some texture.
I'm gonna be a roller.
Should be pretty durable. You didn't get all those weeds.
I didn't.
did that? That's funny. Oh, hi. Two coats of the Rust-Oleum. We got this piece of sheet metal right here to patch there. Jordan's cutting right now a piece of wood to put on the other side to reinforce it and kind of put that up against.
Yeah, and I have a bow tie. It's silver.
Because this stuff is going to be all over the place.
I have a bow tie and it's silver.
Good, dude. Plywood will sit in there.
That's good. Very good.
I got all that. Can I just take that?
Thank you.
Yes. Take a look at us now. 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 Now. Take a look at us now. Take a look at us now. Cream on. What? Cream on. Cream on.
Cut it shorter so it fit just inside the box.
Perfect.
And once you paint over it, you won't notice any of that. I don't know what I was thinking.
Oh no, that'll be perfect.
Should have done that from the beginning. What's up?
Thanks, honey.
Wow, June, look at you. You're
I made those things that you put over your windows. You just shake it.
I'm just going to use glue and tape
Cool.
for this.
Love it.
That's probably a wood bit.
New bit.
Look what I made. Look what I made.
Oh, nice.
Dad, look what I made.
Whoa, June, I love that. This is so much better. All we have is this contact cement weldwood product.
Permanent bond.
Permanent bond.
Metal and wood right next to each other. Can I see this?
Yes.
Hogging it?
Today is a multiple projects kind of day. We are
The
doing
kids are walking.
this planter. The kids are just creating H's and J's out of wood and all sorts of random things. Found
And
this for free this morning on the side of the road, so I was like, snag.
That's your name, Snag.
When you type in my name to text, it autocorrects to snag. This is all dry now. So first coat on this, I'm gonna do 3 in one day and then I'm gonna do a third on the whole thing. So Jordan pin nailed the end of it because rubber cement wasn't like keeping it on there all the way. And then he caulked around the edges. So now I'm good to paint the last couple coats.
look.
Hmm. Oh, you lost your arms.
Careful, don't sit back.
Cake. Why?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, goodness.
Careful having that bird seed. Some wild crows and stuff might come down and attack you.
I know. Mom, did you say that?
Second guessing every interaction that I'm having from now on. 'Cause you brought me high in the mountains.
Are you excited for French fries?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you, Hank?
What's in here? Oh.
Look at all those hands. It's not chicken.
You guys, we got like 3 orders.
When did you get such a hold on me? And why did you have to?
You have to throw it
Is
at
that
the
good?
exact right time. I'll go check.
Yeah.
Is that good?
That's the biggest one ever.
Let me see. Ooh, that is a big one.
Okay, I'm gonna go check.
Okay.
Nah, not anymore.
Careful, buddy.
Tiny now. It's tiny.
Like a fool and drink your poison you left out for me.
Hi. Gonna go, Dad? Here.
Okay.
I'll come with. Yeah, I'll come with you.
Carolina, when did you get such a hold on me? Why did it have
So what do you have? Oh,
I did have a double crab leg. It was stuck together. It was so cool.
now I can't eat and I can't sleep.
Dad is moving the ramp.
Stop. Stop.
Straighten me out.
Let me move the board.
Okay, here is how it turned out. Our planter from a filing cabinet. It turned out so good. We love it. And it nicely separates our like parking area from our like pool kind of play area and gives a little bit of privacy for the pool when like Jordan's not here and the kids and I are hanging out in the backyard. So we love it. It's awesome.